Have you ever wondered how a drone can navigate through a forest, avoid obstacles, and still capture beautiful, clear images? Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the drone industry. Imagine a toddler learning to walk. They stumble, they fall, and they get up again. They're learning from their mistakes and adapting their movements. This is the essence of machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence. It's a way for machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that would ordinarily require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broader concept. It's about creating machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and yes, learning. Now, how does all this apply to drones? Drones are more than just flying cameras. They're equipped with sophisticated technology that allows them to navigate autonomously, avoid obstacles, recognize objects, and even follow a moving target. And AI and machine learning are at the heart of these capabilities. AI allows drones to make decisions, such as when to take a photo, where to fly, or how to avoid an obstacle. Machine learning, on the other hand, enables drones to improve their performance over time. They learn from each flight, becoming more efficient and more accurate. The applications of AI and machine learning in the drone industry are vast. From agriculture and construction to filmmaking and emergency services, drones are transforming the way we work. They're surveying crops, inspecting buildings, filming breathtaking aerial shots, and even delivering medical supplies. Research in this field is happening all over the globe. In Europe, the University of Zurich's Robotics and Perception Group is developing drones that can navigate through forests using AI. Across the pond, MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory is working on drones that can fly autonomously in dense urban environments. The opportunities for a career in this field are plentiful. You could be a drone pilot, a software engineer, a data analyst, or even a drone designer. The skills required range from programming and data analysis to aeronautical engineering and robotics. In summary, AI and machine learning are revolutionizing the drone industry. They're transforming drones from simple flying cameras into autonomous machines capable of complex tasks. The applications are vast, the research is global, and the career opportunities are abundant. So the next time you see a drone, remember, it's not just flying, it's thinking, it's learning, and it's evolving.